Good afternoon, guys. On this episode, I'll be teaching you on how to blur the background of a video using CapCut. So let's get right into it. First thing first, add your desired video clip. After that, click on overlay and add the same video clip. Let's make this clear. The video clip on top is the main track, while the one at the bottom is the overlay. The next step is to go to overlay, click on cut out and click on remove background. Now we have our background removed. The next step is to apply blur effect on the main track. So on the main track, click on video effect and search for blur, B-L-U-R, blur.
Please can you tell us your name and what?
But this is better and simple. The next step is to apply the blur effect across the entire main track, like this. The next step to remove sound mismatch and echoes from our video is to go to overlay, click on volume and set it to 0.
Good afternoon. Please can you tell us your name and what you came here to do?
We can see the new sound mismatch.
My name is Fayemi Fivo and I'm here for RCF Image of Christ. Fayemi Fivo. For RCF Image of Christ.
The movement of scenes and the voice are not in sync with each other. To correct this, go to main track, click on extract audio, still loading. The audio is extracted. The next step is to click on speed. Now from here we can increase and reduce the speed of the sound to match our desired specification.
Good afternoon. Please can you tell us your name and what you came here to do?
My name is
As you
Fayemi
can
Fivo
see,
and I'm here for RCF.
Alright.
we want to reduce it.
Good afternoon. Please can you tell us your name and what you came here to do?
My name is Fayemi Fivo.
We see the speed of the voice and the movement of scenes are in sync with each other. So that's it. We have our background blurred, we have our sound, the movements of scenes matched together, and the video is okay. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. I love you.